Hey guys, it's Rudrita here. Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel The Beautiful Soul and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications of all my latest video updates. Today I am going to share an amazing face pack with you all. This face pack works great on skin and it needs some simple ingredients which we all have usually available in our kitchen. So without any further delay, let's check out the ingredients. For this, we need 1 tablespoon of rice flour. You can get it ready-made. If you don't have that, you can make it yourself. Take 1.5 tablespoon of regular rice and crush it until its granules become smooth. Rice flour works wonderfully as skin exfoliator and skin purifier. It helps to make skin nourished and replenished. After that, add 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Milk powder is rich in lactic acid, which helps to lighten skin naturally. It also helps to peel off the dull and dead skin cells and gives new healthy skin cells. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour in that. Corn flour contains vitamin A, which helps to fade out dark spots, patches and scars. It makes skin clear, healthy and glowing. It also prevents the sign of skin aging as it contains protein in it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Turmeric helps to reduce scars and its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components gives glowing and lustrous skin. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of fresh cream. Fresh cream can be replaced by milk, but it is good to add fresh cream in this pack. If your skin feels any irritation, then add milk or normal water. Fresh cream makes skin smooth and supple. It also makes skin soften, moistured and cleanses skin. Mix all the ingredients very well and make a smooth paste out of it. Now clean your face properly and apply this face pack all over your face and neck. You can apply this by using a brush. Keep it until it becomes dry. After drying, massage gently clockwise and wash it off with normal water. This face pack will make your skin glowing, healthy and nourished. You can apply this face pack twice in a week. You can store this face pack for a couple of months if you don't add fresh cream or milk. You can add that while applying. So this is all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share this with your friends and family. This is Rudrita signing off. Take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.